This is Hannah with Boundless Enterprise Marketing. I know you're busy and I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's get right to it. This is a free marketing audit to help you get more traffic to your website and help you get on the first page of Google. And I'm going to go over 3 tricks to help you get there. The first is content. Google likes to see 1,500 words of content on your home page to show that you're relevant in your field. Now you're sitting at about 520 words, but you do have your images saved as keywords, which will help you out. I also really liked that you have more content in these tabs that will help bump you up. Let's take a look at your #1 organic competitor, Cal's Plumbing. Cal's Plumbing has 1,200 words of content on their homepage, and their images are also optimized. Same thing with Al Coronado, optimized images, and they're sitting at about 1,100 words. Now Cal's and Al Coronado are neck and neck, so if you get up to that 1,500, you can start to really climb. Let's take a look at a tool called Ahrefs. This tracks your backlinks. So this is your trust and this is your power. So I see that you have 16 backlinks, which aren't all created equal, which is where you see that those links have more trust than power. What we want to see is a 1-to-1 ratio where you have websites linking back to you that are equally trustworthy and powerful. We see that you have 126 organic keywords, and those are bringing in 27 people to your website each month. Let's take a look at Cal's. Cal's also has this gap between trust and power with 833 backlinks, 1.2K keywords, bringing them 659 people to their website each month. Don't let these numbers scare you. Building backlinks and organic keywords are an issue of content and a couple of processes that are pretty simple, just a little time consuming. Let's take a look at Al Coronado. Al Coronado, again, has this gap between trust and power, 1.12K backlinks, 838 keywords, 470 people coming to their website each month. Now, Al Coronado is ranking #1 on the Google Map Pack, so let's move into that. This is a tool called Whitespark, and Google Maps loves citations. Citations are your business name, phone number, and address listed on different directories across the internet. Google finds them and then ranks you. So, Al Coronado is #1 in the Map Pack with 15 citations. Cal's Plumbing is #3 in the Map Pack with 38, and you are right here with 20 citations. Now, you're #9, and this may be confusing. You say, hey, I have 20 and Al Coronado has 15. How is Al Coronado #1? Now, citations also are not all built equally. Citations are most effective when they are relevant and related to your field. And also, you need to make sure that that Google My Business listing is using the right keywords. So if that's optimized, you have lots of citations that are relevant and related, and the keywords are pulled out there. Okay, so coming back. 1, more content. 2, more backlinks that have both trust and power, and 3, getting those citations. Now, you could take this information that I gave you, you can run with it, and you can do it yourself. That would be awesome. But if you want to be more effective and save yourself quite a bit of time, you can call me at 520-338-9629. Thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.